I'll give you a 360 view, guys. Yes, this is original, not fake, guys. Okay, time to open
Wait, you forgot.
ASMR. Oh, I should have put on my nails. Bedtime mo na daw. Natulog ka na daw. Fitkin na lang kita.
Gosh.
Okay, guys.
We're gonna eat this, guys. Wow.
Let's open it.
Wait, one more.
Okay, guys, open it. Wag na.
Here.
Okay, guys. Ako na. Ikaw na mas maganda pag kamay mo. Okay, guys, wait. Wait, it's melted. It's low-key eating. It's low-key eating and not eating. Show it. Okay, it's okay, guys. It's okay. It's done. Okay. It smells so good.
Ready? Ready? You got it.
Popped up. It's broken in the back, but okay. Should I take a bite? Okay. Shh. That's eating.
Come here. Bite here.
Sugar headphones.
Mm.
Why is it so good?
It's good.
Chocolate.
Promise. It's good. It's not.
It's worth it. It's worth it, guys.
Yeah. Sarap. Sarap ng pistachio. Sarap ng parang crispy.
Kanafa. Kanafa.
Show.
Aya! Aya. That's good. That's really good. What is it, guys?
Sarap. Pistachio. Crispy.
And water.
Come here, stand back. Sam, say bye-bye.
No.
Say bye na.
Shorts. Okay, bye guys.
Bye, guys.
Hindi hanggang matapos natin to.
No, it's okay na.
Ito, hindi yan. Bukas na yan. Ba't mababalik sa akin na? Malas ba yun?
Come here.
Pinalik mo kasi.
Bye. Everything.
No.
Sarap. In fairness.
True.
Sammy. True.
Truly masarap.
Sarap. Oh my gosh.
Guys,
Bye.
it's 11 p.m.
Thank you for watching our vlog. Please like and subscribe to our channel. The name of our channel is
Sans.
Kaka and Kuku. Bye. Thank you.
Bye guys.
Why I'm using? I'm using.
That smells so good.
Ready? Ready? You got it. Show it here. Show it.
Guys, the laptop. It's broken in the back, but okay. Should I take it? Like, okay. Shh. That's eating.
Come here. Bite here.
Sugar headphones. Why is it so good?
It's good.
That way.
Promise. It's good. It's not.
It's worth it. It's worth it, guys.
Yeah. Sarap. Sarap ng pistachio. Sarap ng parang crispy.
Kanafa. Kanafa.
Mm.
Why is it so good?
It's good.
Chocolate.
Promise. It's good. It's not.
It's worth it. It's worth it, guys.
Sarap. Sarap ng pistachio. Sarap ng parang crispy.
Kanafa. Kanafa. Dad. What? Guys, we kind of betrayed my tita.
Bite it down.
Look down there. Look down there.
I know. Bite it there. Bite this one.
Where?
Show it.
I'm gonna use
Show.
Ah, yeah. Ah, yeah.
Dubai. Very good. So this is from Qatar and UAE. Fruits. Masarap din to. Tikman mo na to, Ate Ann.
Camila still enjoying.
Yeah, I did. Sarap. Qatar ba yan?
Masarap din yung chocolate yan. Bagay sa Qatar.
Sarap. Sabi, dito ka muna ng tubig na yung laptop.
Tasted already this one.
Parang lahat na hindi. Hindi, pero yung Dubai, hindi siya yung... Ito kasi ang tatamis, di ba? Yan parang...
Matamis yan?
Oo. Makita mo yung difference from there to that. Masarap talaga yung Dubai chocolate, no?
Guys, we're still waiting for the mother.
Okay, so I'm gonna give you your pasalubongs.
Hindi, mag-call na tayo.
Kaya
So now, we got the Egypt premium gift from Egypt.
So this is for Katie.
Fine,
Camel.
fine white chocolate with chopped pistachio and croquet.
I want it to wait somewhere.
Si Dolce din. Meron siyang please.
Meron din siyang gift.
Ito yung gift ko.
Kiss mo. Dolce.
Okay, open na natin, guys. Tapos ka na, B?
Okay ka na?
Yeah.
Sarap?
Sarap.
Lap. Lap.
Sarap din yung
Okay,
pachi
guys.
naman.
So, parang Ferrero to. Ata.
Bigyan mo na tissue si mama.
Okay, tag-isa tayo, guys. Kasi, pack siya.
I think half lang kami.
Dalawa ata.
Ay, so this is it.
Open mo muna para makita mo na natin. Ay, dalawa siya sa loob. Tatlo pala.
Ooh la la.
Hindi,
How
ano
many?
naman to?
That's enough. I think isa lang.
Yeah.
Ang
Sabi
lasa.
go. Go bite here. Sarap din ah.
Ba't ayaw mo?
Sarap siya. Sarap.
Last bite.
Sarap siya, no?
Low-key good.
Later na, babe.
I just wanna have.
I like it. Sarap na.
Guys, if you didn't know, we ate the other one. We ate the dark one.
Next. Next is Pachi.
Dolce. Dolce. Let's do ASMR.
This is milk chocolate filled with pistachio.
croquant.
Ba't ang mahal?
It's famous. It's a good quality chocolate.
Pwede din ano to mo dito, no ba, mami?
Me.
Bake.
Unboxing.
That's hard to make.
Actually, yeah.
That's why it's expensive.
Madali lang yun.
I'm so happy that she went to Dubai. I don't care if she didn't go without me. Just happy I got my Dubai chocolate. Wow! Sige. Ba't ang bilis mo mag-ASMR? Mama, tissue nga po.
Display mo ito sa
So
bahay.
this one is
So, this is like... Wait, may ano to si mami na.
Hater
Dun
na
sa
yun.
fridge yan.
Hater na.
Hmm. Sa ano na ito doon? Kabilang bahay.
Pistachio ba yan?
This is
The same?
Ay, baraha. Ang cute.
milk chocolate filled with Gianduja cream and pistachio pieces.
Tungit na tayo din, ano, AC. Dito to isa.
Dubai. Akin yung isa. Sa London, yung isa bibig ko kaya preference.
Ay, hindi na.
Hindi, ito sa inyo to.
Hindi na galing-galing lahat doon.
This ones are for you guys.
Doon nila sa ano. bahay.
Kaya nga, sa bahay na to.
Doon sa ano.
Ito dito sa inyo yan. Ito sa akin to.
Buso
B,
na.
diba? So, sa akin.
Mami lang.
Ito bigay ni Ate Pinky sa akin. Akin to me.
Tomorrow.
Look like daddy.
And let's try the other
Ma.
one. Hachi.
Di ba pachi yung kinain natin?
Yeah, but this is a difference.
Ang cute ng baraha.
Ba't baraha gusto mo, di ba? Mami lang.
Tignan mo si Dolce.
Ah, di ba ka na maglaro? Ano ka na? Panalo ka na pala eh. Gold na.
Gold na? Totoo?
Sa mga patchy.
Hala, kinain mo yung wrapper. Diyos ko po, Rudy.
This is for Philippines and
I think it's the same.
Canadian family. No,
Just
this is
different color.
different. That is the cream. Yan yung ano.
Walang
Gianduja
pistachio.
cream and pistachio pieces. The other one was filled with pistachio croquants.
Sorry, guys.
What's the next one? Dates. That's the Dubai dates and this is the Qatar date.
I think this one needs to be eaten tomorrow.
Why?
We're eating a lot.
We're doing a Dubai haul, Mom.
Bukas naman na.
Sorry.
Ew.
Bukas ay dates at saka yan.
Yeah.
Ano.
This one's I think tomorrow because we're eating so much.
Okay. Ako na yung Dubai chocolate.
Where?
Ayun pa.
True, Mom.
Okay.
Si Kaylee ang malakas kumain dito. Ng Dubai chocolate.
Okay, we're going back to... We're still with all the pasalubong.
This is our main.
This is the...
So you guys pick one here. Pick ka ng isa. Pag niya ni Daddy. Ano kaya kay Daddy? Hindi ko pick. May bibigay ako ng dalawa sa Philippines.
Like, like, dito lang ako. Parang, it's messy.
Huwag ka maingay.
Pizza quiet.
Sa akin gold. Si daddy mo to, oh.
Ito isa dito, Ma. Sa bahay. Ito sa atin rin dito. Sarap na.
Sarap na to.
Benta pa ba natin?
Kaya nga.
Yan, oh, may bibili.
Meron yan.
Dami.
This love has taken this far. Ooh, baby, they said goodbye.
Pero paano yung
So
tissue?
many times before.
Ito, kasi ano, crunchy.
Sarap din yung dark kasi.
Hindi, tsaka sarap ng pistachio.
Hindi siya dark.
Tsaka hindi siya matamis.
True.
Oo nga. Kung alam ko lang, bumili pa ako niyan.
Nag-try na ako before pa. Wala, hindi ko na kaya. Hindi siya kaya.
Hindi, meron pa sa akin. Kaya pa siya sa akin. Laging, meron yan lagi. May, nagkaka-stock siya. Yeah.
Yung dark ang meron.
Pero kasi kala ko baka masyadong mapait. Don't get naman although. Ano ba?
Dolce ah. K6 sa mga na kitchen.
Lang, dark naman to eh. Isa lang, isa.
Nasaan kay daddy?
Joke lang.
Nasaan niya sa'yo?
Guys, my dad was hiding to eat his chips. I have chocolate in my nose. Guys, I want my phone back.
Ano ba ito? Sa holder? Ano ito, Laylay? Ito holder?
Wala akong binibigay.
Nilagyan ng parang ano yung ng napkin.
Guys, I want my phone back. Looky do, looky do.
Tumitigas yung pag-ahak na siya. Doon ka kami.
Hindi namin shot mo ko yun.
Grabe naman yung isang bite. Ang hirap naman.
No.
Ano yan, fry?
Pag may dog chocolate, bibigyan mo siya.
Well.
Ako hindi ka ma-fry. Hindi ka ma-inka.
Try mo ma.
Guys, this will take 50 minutes.
Ganito yung mga binibili ko sa kanya.
Sarap, di ba?
Kain naman tong mga mo.
Ikaw yung... Tapos na ba yung init? Dito.
Bukas ulit. Bukas yung dates naman at saka yung baklava.
Guys, I'm looking,
Lama.
looking fat.
Diba?
Ano to? Arabian sweets.
Ito isa.
To dates.
Ikaw ba? Ano pa alam ko ng lasa nito? Kainin nyo na lang.
Bukas ate, yung dates at saka yung Arabian desserts.
Sige.
Sabi!
Sorry. Anong gusto niyong gagawin? Iswallow ko?
Hindi, dapat sexy.
Mine na to?
No.
Can I have one?
Excuse me.
Sana lang garod last na.
Magsama?
Oh,
Si Dolce din ah.
Si mama rin, no?
Ako muna.
Ako ang dapat madami kasi ako may service charge. Dolce!
Ang ganda na ASMR nyo. Yung mga ano wala kayong mga ano.
Alin?
Na!
Ay, inubos yung yung pistachio.
Sarap siya. Nabili ka? 65. Siya, ilang araw ako, ilang gabing puyat ako dyan kasi nag-aabang ako. Ting. Sige na, 65 lang.
Kaya sabi ko serious yung 6 bucks yung kunin mo.
Kaya nga, buti nga nakahabol pa ako isa.
benta nyo na lang. Nakatikim naman tayo eh.
Nung ano dyan, 3 ako.
Pero ang sarap kasi eh. Tingnan mo, hindi matamis. Ang sarap pa nung nasa loob, pistachio.
4 siguro ako. Bibenta ko.
Huwag natin, benta.
Hindi, benta pa rin. Para at least yung kinain mo, bumalik
Para
sa'yo.
ano?
No.
Baka
Like,
magsisi kayo pag binenta nyo.
Hindi. Ako, si ate, ang tanong mo siya. Ilan ba yun sa'yo?
4 dark, 6 regular.
So, 10. Akin 12. Dalawa na sold.
So, 20 na tayo.
May
We're down
bumili
to
na sa'yo?
20.
Ha? Bumili yan sa akin, dalawa. 55 lang kasi parang masyado din mataas ng 65.
May kukuha ka
Magkano
lang. Ako magtinda ng 55. Ang dami nang kumukuha sa akin. Hindi ko lang sila nireplyan kasi wala naman ng stock eh.
Yes, Dolce?
Here's your camel. Wait. The camel will ride that you.
May camel ako sa kanila nila, Dolce.
Sila Enzo.
This is your camel toe.
But I have camel.
You know camel toe, Sam?
No.
When your panty is like, ganun.
Slutty. You're disgusting.
No,
You wear that.
it's, that's why when you wear leggings, don't wear like that para hindi siya,
I gave her this is all for you guys. You, Enzo, Marco,
Cute.
and Yana.
May ganyan kami lahat.
Yeah. You guys have all camel. Para you remember me for
Hindi
camel.
binili si Calvin. Hindi, alala.
Ay, oo, para si Calvin.
Sinasama yun. Si Calvin na yun.
Just give that to Calvin na lang.
Okay. It smells like Dolce.
No.
Hoy, naka-video po tayo.
Ano pa pala tayo? Sarap. Thank you, Lord.
Chocolate is
ganyan.
happiness.
Hindi ko na magana.
Hoy, may yippee pa tayo. Gusto niyo? Ayun.
Ayoko yan.
Ayoko
Ang dami.
din.
May ganyan dito.
Nakakaawa pero mga camel din.
Halawa.
Kita mo, oh.
What is halawa like? Oh, pistachio ulit?
Yeah. From Egypt.
Anong kind? Ano siya?
Parang spread yata siya. Tikman nga natin bukas. Or now.
Loki looks weird.
Tomorrow na.
Sorry, but Loki looks weird.
This is from...
Sana lumabas ka sa Egypt, sis.
This is Qatar.
Sis, sana lumabas ka sa Egypt.
This is Dubai.
Sis, sana
Hindi
lumabas
pwede,
ka sa
not for hours. Dolce,
Ah.
that's not yours.
Nasisira, besh.
No, you have chocolate. You have treats. I bought you advent calendar. Na treats.
Mama, may bili tayo ng advent calendar.
From
Nakita na
Portugal.
namin siya kung paano dapat yan tinitrain. May maliliit lang na ano.
Oo
tas
nga.
hindi mo siya
Ginaganon
ginaganon.
ko siya, sis. Kaso very
No, you need
hyper
another
talaga siya.
dog to like how she
Kasi
can
yung, alam mo yung yung last, as will show you.
smile. Okay.
Si Dada pa gala natin.
Wala kang USB?
Dito ka anak. Hindi ka nila maupo ka kay Dada.
No.
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 Sit beside Daddy.
No. No, I wanna do it. Okay, do I open it now?
Ulit.
Dapat ganun natin, para makita din. Uy! This is our fifth time na. Willy Wonka? Wala naman si Willy Wonka. Ay, nag-melt siya. Tag-isang bar tayo? Tag-isang.
Just bite again.
I use the knife para it's perfect.
I want Dada.
Oh my God.
Who's the first one?
Ano?
Me, no, Dada.
Hey, no.
Kay Dada.
Kita.
Dada, dito ka. You show Mimi. You inggit Mimi.
No.
And AA.
Gusto mo din eh.
Bite here. Pag nag-vlog, nagbabite sa camera.
There.
You bite here. Sammy, bite here.
Dark chocolate.
It's good. Yung dark din.
Doesn't taste too dark, di ba?
Love, this is yours.
Yeah. Go near. Oh.
Walang crunch.
Yung mga sweet tooth. Mga,
Ito, lang. Dito sa harap.
Ito wala. Grabe siya sa amin. Bilis ka agad o kinuha niya yung ate.
Gusto mo pa?
Meron pa naman. Sige lang, kumain ka na.
Bye, guys.
Grabe talaga yung...
We miss you, Mimi. Apat at lab.
Paano ba yan?
Ganito.
Kissy face, send to your phone.
What did you say to your mom?
Love you, Mom!